Hello everyone, welcome and namaste to this video. And today I'm really much excited and I really enjoyed while making this video. This is all about chocolates. I'm using compound chocolates to make the smaller chocolates or to melt the chocolates to pour upon the cake. So I'm taking this dark compound chocolate and the milk compound chocolate in equal amounts approximately. Don't forget, it's approximately. So if we take these two, if we mix these two, the taste will be delicious. You can even use only the dark one or only the milk one, but I mix these both so the taste would be great. I'm using double boiling method, which is available with each and everyone. Remember a note that there shouldn't be any water around the chocolates, because if even a drop of water can spoil your whole chocolate and no remedy can do anything to your chocolates. They are spoiled. That's it. So be careful, there shouldn't be water. And don't tell me that you're boiling water. No, it is double boiling method, so it is used to melt chocolate. So I have put that it is in melting state. So meanwhile, I'm taking these molds, preparing them ready to pour the chocolate, the melted chocolate, into these molds to make small chocolates. You can wrap these chocolates and you can gift it to anyone you wish. So did you see that the chocolates have started melting? And this one is really awesome. I really love these cakes because they are so delicious. I just remember when I see this scene, I remember one thing. I used to go to marriages only to eat this chocolate cake, this fountain chocolate with a plain cake, with a piece of plain cake. I really loved them. So when I learned this, I was really happy that I no need to go to any marriages or any events to eat this one. So you can, if you want a marble effect, you can just leave them like that. This is melted completely. Now you can pour these into the molds. And meanwhile, I am really enjoying the melted chocolate cake. So awesome. And this one, you can leave it as such or you can refrigerate this one. Be careful because the chocolate would be wasted. I don't want even a drop of chocolate to be wasted. I just lick it. But those scenes are edited, okay? I found this one as the easiest method to make this chocolate kind of things. And this one has its own difficulties, like it shouldn't be burnt or overburnt, or it shouldn't be with water or some kind of things like that. And these compound chocolates are available online. You can just go and get yours. Don't forget to tap before you give rest, or else you may find some bubbles while taking them out. So if you like this video, please give a like, comment and share this, and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, one more thing, don't forget to look over my calligraphy work in the other videos below. Thank you for watching.